Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a credit memo on the Invoice Maker and Estimate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the menu button in the upper left corner of the screen. And then tap on Invoices, then click on Credit Memos, which is the fourth option. Tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner, tap on Credit Memo to select the date, tap on it and you will be able to change it if you want to. You can set the status, which is now set to issued, then tap on Save. You can add the client. If you type it in, you can see that it has been saved. Then you can add product information such as the item code and then the description. Click on Next at the top, then select its quantity, the rate and the amount. Tap on Done at the top. Here you can see the payment details such as the subtotal, tax and so on. As you scroll down, you can add your comment to the Type Your Text section. You can add attachments, so you can enclose a file captured with your camera. You can pick it from your gallery, import from Dropbox or iCloud. After that, you can tap on the send button down below to forward your credit memo. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.